Orange. 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 Hey, what's up guys? My name is Felix and today we're making a bouquet of orange cake pops. Orange. And the orange cake that we're using in this recipe is my orange cake recipe, which is right here. Click on it if you haven't made it. It's really good and orangey. Alright, so first off, we're going to get our beautiful orange cake and shred it into pieces. Make sure all those large chunks are gone. Sometimes I just can't help myself. Then we're going to get started on the frosting. So all you need for the frosting is 1 stick of butter and 2 cups of powdered sugar. In this video, I doubled because I was making 2 batches of cake pops. You're then going to add just a little bit of milk just until you get a right consistency, which is about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to put your frosting straight into that cake mix and start using those hands. You're then going to keep forming that dough until you can make some really nice cake balls. One tip when making cake balls is to make sure they're very compact. So this prevents any cracks from forming and prevents your cake ball from falling apart. It also prevents
so much pain! So much pain!
Now let's get started on the cake pop stick. First, we're going to dip the stick inside some white melted chocolate that's dyed orange. Then you're going to put the stick inside the cake ball and set it on a tray. After your cake balls are done, you're going to put it in the freezer for about 25 minutes. When the cake pops are all done freezing, we're going to take it out and work on the decorations. First up is the marble. So what we're going to do is get some melted white chocolate and sprinkle a wavy line across 1 pound of orange melted chocolate. Then we're going to spread it across the y-axis as well. Then you're going to get your beautiful cake pop and just dip the top of it right inside that melting chocolate. Then you're going to slowly, very slowly, twirl the chocolate around the cake pop. Then, ta-da! You did it! Now it's time to make the orange cake pop itself. So for this orange, you're going to need to get your lovely cake pop and cover it in the orange white chocolate. When you're covering it in orange white chocolate, you want to make sure you don't spin it but move it back and forth, just like this. After it's covered, then you can give it a little spin and give it a nice swoosh. Then you're going to get your favorite orange sprinkles and sprinkle that thing right on top of that cake pop. This is going to get you your very own orange. Now to give it a little bit more pizzazz, we're going to add a green leaf. So we're going to We are then going to give about a 1/4 cup of green white chocolate and spread it across the cutting board. Then we're going to grab a butter knife and make it real smooth. Satisfaction. After that, we're going to put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to make sure it's nice and solid. Then you're going to get your lovely knife and smash that sucker up and destroy it. What we're aiming to do here is get some nice looking triangle pieces for those lovely orange leaves. Then you're going to get your lovely melted chocolate and put it on top of that skewer so we can attach the leaves to the orange. You're just going to put a little some just like so. And press. Hey, what can I say, brother? That's all she wrote. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah!
Finally is the presentation. So all we're going to do is get some tissue paper and put inside a cup. Then we'll get your lovely marble cake pop, place one inside. Then get another orange cake pop and place that one inside. And just keep on doing that until you fill that sucker up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a good day. Peace!